Hello. Today we're at this Los Angeles flower market. I was always talking this week about poor design, and I stumbled across this beauty. Here is the designer right over here. She is the owner of Stems Floral, which happens to be where the school is located. And she does a rock star job of designing flowers. Her father, a friend of mine, also has a place over here at the LA Flower Market. So check out Stems Floral. Whenever you come to town, tell them Michael sent you, and they'll treat you well. But I was just admiring this very pretty design she did. Cymbidium orchids, roses, asters, this and that, berries, protea. So Stems Floral in LA, they do retail, they do events. You can get it all. Look at those chocolate cymbidiums. Michael Gaffney, Flower School 101 in LA. You can learn how to do this in class. Join us, flowerschool101.com.